Hello. Good evening to all. Hope you had a very good trading day today. And as we expected, market I was expecting for CE side, but remember in yesterday video I have told you that you have to buy above 42,255. But market never reached the 42,255 target. So the first thing I want to tell you is that I have saved your capital. Okay, if you are saving, if you are just going simply with my levels, then I have saved your capital. The first and foremost thing. Okay, market didn't move as expected. Today the market gave a started falling down and again went up and again down. It was a zigzag. So as I told you the levels, okay, market didn't touch the CE side, but instead in the morning itself it went for a little bit PE and again went for a CE. Okay, so in that thing I have given a beautiful scalp trade to my group, and you can very well see that I have given a scalp trade that any can go like 41,940, like safe entry can goes below 42,035 by PE below 42,035, and it went up to 960, expected as 960. I gave a scalp rate of 40 to 50 points, a book at least 40 to 50 point, don't exit before I have given. And again the same thing, the market gave upside momentum. Okay, and the thing is that target, you can see this thing that target is 42,197. Okay, so in the upside also I told that today is a scalpers day. At 12:43 I have given a this message says scalper trade. Remember our SL is at 42,138. Above 42,138, I mean to say is that above 42,138 you can go for a CE, and CE has given 138 to 197, and I have made everybody to book the uh, profit. Okay, again even I have given still entry needs to go below P at 42,120. Again 42,120 I gave a P at 238, and it went down and down all the way down to, you can see the timing. Okay, and 238, you can see the timing, it was around can you see this candle. Okay, and at approximately around 138 it went down. Okay, 42,138, from 42,138 started falling down, and at the last on closing it came up to all the way 42,051. Okay, and it closed around 42,072. Okay, so this was the post market view, and many of our clients has booked the profit also. I can show you that 3,354, you can see this this value 3,354 total returns. It was been filed by one of our client. Okay, so these are about yesterday's today's move, post market view, and so okay, over is over. For what about tomorrow? Remember, the main thing why the market didn't performed well towards the C side, because today there was a RBI meeting, everybody knows that. Okay, and due to maybe that could be a reason that why didn't the stock performed well, the bank Nifty especially. Okay, so maybe they are waiting for the outcome. Okay, but however the outcome will be a positive one. Okay, and what I feel is that the inflation ratio has come down below 7 percentage. Okay, so inflation, the first time after a long after a recovery from a COVID and all, again the inflation has come down. So what happens when inflation come down? So I, first of all, I want to tell you, let me clear that tomorrow market there is a possibility of going in upper side. Okay, as I told that go about 255, and the first target will be 345, second will be 42,416, third will be 42,508, and 42,647. Okay, these are my special moves, and moreover I can see a very continuous bullish tomorrow. The reason, the one why I feel that, okay, let me explain what happens when market is, what happen when the inflation reduces. Okay, fine. When the inflation is decreased. That means the fear in between the people is reduced. Okay. Because when the inflation increases, okay, that means the product of the cost of every product gets increased. That keeps trigger in every people mind that everything is getting costlier. Okay, now what happened, the inflation value got decreased. That means the people, their fear also decreased. Okay, once the fear gets decreased, people are ready to, that means their money is being saved. So once the money is being saved, as per data, I'm saying about the as per data. Okay, the people, they are not fear to invest in the market. Now what they do, they started investing in the market. Okay, now the market starts to move towards the bullish side. Okay, so what I feel, it's my analysis, my own analysis from past many days. I'm just analyzing especially for you. And what I feel is that there will be a super bullish momentum for tomorrow. Okay, right. And maybe the opening may be in towards downside or towards the upside, but the news is positive. So definitely that we can see a CE momentum tomorrow. Okay, right. And remember one thing at last, I want to tell you that if a news comes, if it is a bad news, okay, the market it is good for the market. If it is really very bad, it is really very very good. When it is really very very good, it is super good. Okay, so what I want to say is that please keep this in mind. Okay, if you have made any short, kindly close your short positions, and you can expect a upward momentum towards the C side in Bank Nifty. And that's all about today's analysis for tomorrow market. And maybe either it should be going the upward momentum. And last but not least, I want to add a bottom line for this, that as per this, and inflation ratio have told that market momentum, but there could be a choppy market for next 3 to 4 days. So don't go for a very big targets, the person who are entering in the C side or B side. Okay, it will be like because market is making new higher high. Okay, so we don't know at what point it will gonna reverse. Okay, so we don't have any higher levels, we have only the lower levels. Okay, we don't have any higher levels. Okay, these are the expected thing up to as on previous, as per the previous momentum, we have made a ratio. And that ratio has been plotted on the chart. I have given the targets. Okay, right. So it's that these targets never have achieved. So but as per the ratio, we expect that market could uh, touch these targets. Okay, so better just instead of getting rushing in towards the CE, wait. And if you get a proper breakout, if you see a good volume, if you good momentum, then go for it. Otherwise, okay, if you are very much sure about in PE side, then wait for the market to reach the day's high. From there you can go for PE. Okay, that's all about today. And hope you have a good trade tomorrow, and happy trading. Wish you a very good day. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all. Cheers.